is now finally ready for the easiest portion of this way of solving these equations, the graphing calculator. I am using a TI-83 Plus, and what you're going to do here is you're going to hit second, matrix. Up here is going to be a bunch of weird things like names, math, and edit. You're going to go over to edit. You're going to create a new one. So, all the way down here by 4 is a lonesome one. Sorry, the camera got out of focus. You're going to hit equals or enter. You're going to hit, since we're doing two variable expressions, you're going to need 2 by 3. And the reasoning for that 2 by 3 is because there is two lines, 3 numbers. That's columns and rows. Alright, you're gonna hit enter. Now that you have it, it's gonna come up. If you wish to access this, alright, let me quit out of this. You just hit second, matrix. You're going to find the one you want. I have ones for 3 variables, 2 variables, 5 variables, and again 2 variables. I'm going to scroll down to the 2 variable one. Enter. See how that B comes up? You're going to need that later. Right now, you're going to hit second, matrix. This is going to pop up again. Go over to edit. Click on one of the ones that you already have. Hit enter. It's going to let you edit how many variables you want. Alright, this is very important. Where I'm at right now, the far left at the top corner, that is your x of your first equation. Alright, these problems down here I've created. You've got x plus y equaling 5. Now, any numbers that you enter into those columns and rows are all going to be the coefficients of the variables in these equations. So, since x has a 1 and y has a 1, you're going to go over here for the top left corner 1. For the next one, you're going to want to enter 1. And you're going to hit enter. Alright. Now the far right numbers, the ones right here, it's hard to see on camera, but the far right ones, those are the what it's equal to. This one is equal to 5, so click it, enter. Now you're going to do the next row. There's a 2 coefficient and a 1 coefficient for the y. Once again, go back over to your calculator, have a 2, enter, 1, enter, and 7, enter. Second, quit. This is where it's going to get a little weird, but once again, you're going to go to your matrix. Second, matrix. This time you're going to go to the math. Click up on the directional pad. and then you're going to look for RREF. You're going to hit enter. You're going to hit second. You're going to hit matrix. You're going to find the one that you just entered, which is my B. You're going to hit enter. Now up at the top it's going to have RREF parentheses B. You're going to get another parentheses to close those. And you're going to hit enter. Now you're going to have this really weird thing, but all you have to know is that all the way to the far right is your answers. 2 is the X, 3 is the Y. So let me run this through you again. Alright, you're going to hit second, matrix. You're going to edit. You're going to go down to your B, or whatever it is, enter. You're going to type in your equation. Remember, it goes X, Y, after the equals. Alright, X, Y, after the equals. So, the next one is 2, enter, 1, enter, and this time, and 5. So, enter. Then you're going to enter in your coefficients again. So it would be 1, enter. This time it's a negative, so you can just get your negative by clicking this button right here. Negatives are your subtraction, alright? Whenever you leave just the number, that's like adding the number, it's positive. It's fairly simple. You're going to hit Y again, so the coefficient is 1, but it's a negative. Enter. And finally your solution, 2. Enter. I'm going to hit second, quit, second, matrix, find the RREF, enter, second, matrix. You're going to find the one that you were just editing, which is B for me. Close your parentheses. And enter. And that is the answer to the problems. It is a repeating decimal. So we got 2 point, let's just say 2 1/3 and 1/3. And there you go. That is how you do that.